we woke up today and it was raining, a little bit of a surprise. Wasn't expecting that, but the grasses and the fields, etc., are not complaining. And one of our friends here made a really wise choice of clothing today, seeing as he is out pretty much all night. He decided to wear not cotton, because cotton in the wet is not great, but he decided to wear some wool today. That's a very, very good choice.
Good choice,
Right,
Bob.
Bob? Good choice. Let's see how thick his coat is that he put on. Oh, it's getting there, even though he's still a wee one.
He's so cute.
He's so cute.
He's like, pet me, please. More pets, please. Me. Bob. Oh, so good. That's good. That's good.
Little tail wag. Good Bob.